So what's up guys? Today we're playing Box Frankie. So let's start with this guy. Okay. Got a little kick. Dang it. Who got a little kick? Oh! This red little demon guy. I'm cooking up! Let's have the other one. This flower. It's a shaker. How is that? Look at the vibes of this. What are you? Anong gagawin mo, Mr. Ben? Stupid. Robot siya. Robot talaga to. Walang sound. Wala naman siyang sound. Anwari, anong gagawin mong araw? Dirtball. This dirt. What's it again? Is a purple? What is that? It's a purple dragon. It's a purple dragon. What is this tree? How about this yellow man? And this. Okay, the whistler. How about this computer? It's a computer. It just sings. Is this a cat? This is a cat. A cat that barks! How about this? It's a pink man. Okay, it's a blue whistler. They say it's scary. That's even scary. Let me go! Okay, we doesn't have this one. The fuck? Oh shit, this is the scary stuff. What happened to the beatbox? No, it's chest! What the hell? What the hell is this like? Oh! Okay, this. Let me cook a little bit. Okay, this is so little fire. I think there's phase 3 there, guys. So if you want me to check out phase 3, then like and subscribe. Like and subscribe now. And I see you in the next video. So like and subscribe. Oh, I will go to your house and kick your butt. Pero if this video gets 100,000 likes and 100,000 likes, I'll make another video phase 3. So bye. Peace.